Hello all and welcome to this installation guide of Olixar's glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy A12. Once I have applied the glass protector, I will be giving my honest opinion on whether I think this is a reliable product to safeguard your handset's display. As always, I would recommend turning off your device before starting, just so that your screen doesn't keep activating during the application. To start with, I would suggest laying out all of the tools that are needed to apply the glass. These consist of a microfiber cloth, wet wipes, dust removal sticker, guide stickers, and of course the screen protector itself. The process will take no longer than a few minutes to complete, and by following all of the steps correctly, there'll be no bubbles visible post-application. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, take the wet wipe and clean the entirety of the screen. This will remove any dirt or grease from off your display. Next, take the microfiber cloth and wipe away any liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. Now it's time to get rid of any unwanted dust from off the screen by using the dust removal sticker. Repeatedly dab the dust removal sticker across the display to lift off any dust. Once the screen looks immaculate, we can now turn our attention to fitting the glass. To do so, place a guide sticker at both the top and the bottom of the protector, then peel back the white plastic attachment to reveal the sticky side of the glass. Whilst doing so, hold the glass sticky side down, as this will reduce the possibility of dust becoming attracted to the glass. With this done, we can now lower the glass onto the screen. Use the guide stickers to help you position the glass correctly. As soon as the glass makes contact with the display, the glue will begin to spread. Press the centre of the screen to encourage the glue to disperse from the centre outwards. If there are any bubbles, simply lift the glass from the nearest edge and push them out. With these steps completed, you now have a Olixar glass screen protector safeguarding the visuals of your handset. The glass is barely elevated from off the display and doesn't intrude too far onto the bezel of the handset. Therefore, I can still attach a case to the phone with ease, meaning for the device to still be able to receive 360 protection to defend its condition from day-to-day use. There is a black border located around the edge of the glass, though this does not in any way interfere with the content of your display. The camera is cut out immaculately to ensure that you face no obstructions when wanting to use your front-facing camera, allowing you to continue capturing that perfect selfie. With the glass attached, the touch response is not affected in any way, allowing for me to scroll through the phone as like before the glass was fitted. The construction of the glass is ultra clear and allows for 95% of light to penetrate through. Therefore, it will not hinder the way you view your favourite TV shows. And there will be no need to adjust the brightness post-application. Overall, I think that this is a great value for money glass screen protector that's application was short and simple. I believe this is a reliable and robust form of screen protection that will most definitely be able to combat the tackles of everyday use. To purchase the Olixar glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy A12, check out the link in the description and comments below. For more content like what you have seen today, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.